Yo, 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 what's going on, YouTube crew? It's your boys, J Seals, Anti Hobbs, part of the Trader Shop.
Yep.
And we ready to get active. We ready to get live. And yeah, how was your weekend and your day off too? Was it really a day off though?
I mean, do I have days off, Justin? Like ever?
I think you do. Not really. You don't.
They're available. Do I take them? Probably not. But good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Trader Shop. What up, Jay? Man, my weekend was out freaking standing. I spent a lot of time studying. Spent a lot of time paper trading crypto with the Discord family, and then what else I do? Oh, Monday, President's Day, I acted like a president. First of all, I got upset because I was trading the market Monday morning. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning with Pippi, and I didn't lose per se, but I was losing mental capital. And once I realized that, I was like, all right, I'm out of here. Like the market doesn't want to do what I think it's going to do. So I'm just going to bounce, right? So I left. I went to bed. I woke up. The market did exactly what I thought it was going to do, and I got even more irritated. So I just slept in. I just slept all day Monday. I think I slept to about. I was in and out of sleep to about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. My kids were home. They were hanging out with the youngest. So, and then I got up, made a video for the Discord, market review, some things I saw on the tape for Monday, and then got back at it. We killed the Tokyo session last night. Came back in, killed the London session this morning. Now we're looking, well, not necessarily London. It's technically London and New York, but New York's not officially open. So we killed the London session. We called this move directly on the dot. Like I was going through my shop trade ideas, and I told the shop that I was watching 668 through 724 for shorts, and I said 698 would be a sweet spot. And the market came up to 700, and well, the rest is history. So, just really seeing the market really well, and really excited about the growth of myself, you, and then the Discord family in general. So,
Nice.
but that being said, let's jump right into these pre-market plans, man. Like, I know we got a few new people that should be showing up today. A lot of people have been engaging with me on Twitter, and if you guys are watching on Twitter, welcome. If you're watching on the YouTube stream, don't forget to tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Every morning we like to go over a market plan. This is ES, but I'm not going to do an ES plan because I really was trading this morning and I'm not worrying about ES. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into my plan for NQ. Now this is kind of going to be it's not on the fly because I wrote a plan. However, I was trading the session, and like the moves that I was trying to make were taking a little longer than I wanted. So I was kind of focused on the trades versus making the plan. So just full disclosure. So normally I'll do a macro picture, but I'll just talk about the macro, right? So yesterday we had President's Day. And if you watch the top-down market analysis, I talked about this sell-off. And I said, after we broke a low, Dave teaches FX, shout out to him. After we break a low, we usually go into a consolidatory period. Well, that consolidation is basically a pullback to the top. And if you take a Fibonacci retracement on this 4-hour candle and bring it down here, you'll see that we basically consolidated up. The market loves 50%, guys. Like if you haven't figured that out, then you should. But if you take a 50% retracement of this 4-hour candle, you'll see that we came right up to 807. And I think I called this one out in the Discord as well. I was like, look, as long as we stay beneath 807, we're going down, right? So we tapped 807. We started to sell down. And then we got super aggressive in the Tokyo session, continued into the start of the London session. Again, Fibonacci retracement on that previous London or that previous 4-hour candle. Guess what? Puts us right at the top of this structure right here, right? And this is why I said to the Discord, hey, 726, I think I called this earlier last night, that area would be a good area for rejections as well. And then what do you know? We come down to this next 4-hour candle. Now we're selling back into roughly about 70% of this candle. So still 698 should be able to hold us, but Apple is looking bullish. So that being said, what am I looking for? I'm looking to short weak rallies into 4-hour supply at 670.25 through 7724. So anywhere in this little red box is where I'm looking to short the market. Looks like the market's already coming down. I'm just not interested because I've already traded like two different accounts yet. So I'm just going to wait, let the dust settle. I think the areas to look for bounces or to look to target the market, right? There's a few areas, right? Because I like to look at these wicks, right? Because they usually act as good support levels. So we got 540 for target. We got 485.50 for target. 41225 for target. And then ultimately where I want to look for buyers to defend, truly defend, is 36250 if we continue this downtrend, okay? So I want to look for buyers to defend this 4-hour demand at 36250 through roughly about 7226. And we can look to long the market, targeting this 4-hour supply at 670. So the other thing I said, understanding new targets can occur. So this downtrend usually doesn't come down. I mean, I ain't putting nothing past NQ, but usually this downtrend doesn't come down just like this, right? Like that's not what's going to happen. Usually what will happen is we'll go up, we'll go down, we'll come up lower, we'll go up, we'll go down further, up lower, down further, up lower, right? And what that does is that creates supply, right? So somewhere around here, we should create supply if we start to come down. And if we get long down here, the target will be one of these supply zones, right? That's why I say understanding that new targets can occur. I don't think if we come all the way down here, the market's going to come all the way back up here unless we get some interesting news from the market. So those are my two plans on the day. Like I said, there's a lot of like intraday plans that I'm working out right now. I believe that the market is not turning bearish, but I think the market is pulling back a little bit. And in order for this pullback to continue, we have to get out of what currently is 1-hour demand right here. I just don't have it marked, right? So if we go to the 1 hour, you can see that right now, this is where we are, right? We're sitting right into this 1 hour pocket, right? What we call in the Discord, we call this the queen, right? So this girl or this queen, king, whatever you want to call it, right? This queen right here is responsible for this new high. So it broke this high and put in this high. Therefore, the market or this uptrend is still intact until we break beneath 537. I said it in my top-down analysis video. I'm going to reiterate it here in the shop because once we break this level, it's going to get really selly all the way back down to 362. Also tapping some of these targets that I just had on the board. So that's my pre-market plan for NQ. I'll toss it to Justin to see what he's got going over there for ES.
Yeah, so even though I know that like all 23 of y'all don't trade ES and I don't trade ES as much anymore.
Welcome, one of us.
Whatever. So for ES, I got a 3-hour demand or supply at 50.23. But really what I'm looking at is yesterday's low of day being the potential rejection point, just because of the fact that we've got a lot of support that's turned into resistance or should turn into resistance now that we're below it. We got this area right here, this wick, this area. We came back, we broke it, we retested it, and then we fell underneath it. And then we haven't really came back and retested it. So I think today we could potentially come back up, retest this area, maybe put in kind of a double top, and then break down into this 15-minute or potentially this 3-hour demand zone right here for the short side. Oh, good. Bray's only here for the ES hype. Dope. So that's my short side plan.
Let's go.
To the long side, the 15-minute demand zone looks like a good area to potentially take longs, as well as this 3-hour. I think once we get below there, I do have a big 1-hour zone that I would be watching for bounces. But at that point, we're pretty much breaking into some pretty deep structure, just pulling back. We kind of have this bounce area right here. But yeah, I think we could potentially go test lower prices. I think the problem with the market right now is it's really in like decision mode because we had this all-time high, we came back up, and this low didn't put in a new high. It almost did, but it didn't. So, you know, the market could be shifting. All we really have to do is come down and break this area, and we should be back in a potential downtrend. And I think we're just waiting on NVIDIA to potentially tell us what we want to do. So that's what I got for ES. Short and sweet, to the point.
Sorry, I'm only
doing over there.
I'm typing out on my chart what these things represent, some of these little lines. So people, when they show up, be like, what do those white lines mean? What do those yellow lines mean? I just put targets. Targets for shorts or targets for longs, but that way, I mean, like somebody wants to ask it, you know, I can just be like, look, it says it right there. All right, so let's jump right into what's going on with the stock market, the overall stock market. As you guys know, Justin and I like to watch multiple stocks and the volatility index to kind of give us a good idea of where the market is trying to go at around the time it's trying to get there. So I'll come over here first and just talk about two things that I've noticed this morning. So the first thing is, again, talked about in my top-down analysis video. I hope you guys watched it. What I noticed is Meta is selling off pretty aggressively, right? And it's not surprising in my opinion because people are collecting their dividends and they're bouncing, right? There's no way Meta is going to stay at about $500 a share. Like, in my opinion, that's just not going to happen. So the question is, well, once they sell this money, these are investors, right? So they're going to put their money somewhere, right? So I told you guys also last week, it was weird that Apple was selling off pretty aggressively. And now that Meta's selling off, shocker, Apple's catching a bid, right? So I don't think that it's a conspiracy theory. I think that it just makes sense to move your money to a more proven asset, right? While also collecting 0.5% on your current asset, right? So winner, chicken dinner. Today is the day that Meta gives out their dividend. So I expect Meta to, you know, continue its sell-off. Nothing's set in stone, but that's just my thesis. NVIDIA is very important because tomorrow is going to be make it, break it day for NVIDIA and the rest of the market. NVIDIA and all of the other 6 Mag 7 stocks are pretty much the reason why we're up here, right? Like, they are the reason why the market is up 7%, 8%, 10%, whatever it is, right? They're the reason for that. But if NVIDIA misses, it's going to be a bloodbath, guaranteed, right? Guaranteed. I don't think they'll miss because the AI bubble, in my opinion, is here to stay. But all we do is I discuss these things because it's good shop talk. But to be quite frankly with you guys, like, I could care less about any of this stuff. Like, the only thing I really care about is what's happening on my chart, right? And what's happening potentially with the VIX, if the VIX gives me signs, right? And also bookmap. The rest of this stuff is just good barber talk, right? Like, it's good. You know, this is the trader shop, aka the barber shop, right? So I like to talk about these things so we have some things to discuss. I think it's good to discuss these things, but in no form or fashion, in my opinion, would it be good to trade off fundamentals and fundamentals alone. There are people who do it and are very successful, but that's why they say anything can work. I just know fundamentals and fundamentals alone would not work for me. So that being said, in regards to where we are structurally, Apple is sitting inside of demand. We just tapped the 50% of my 4-hour demand zone. So this is a good area for Apple to start pushing out of this area. And as far as the market goes, again, like I said, we're sitting inside of that demand zone. So this is also a good area for the market to kind of push out as well. So what am I looking for the first 30 minutes or so? Nothing much. I'm just going to sit back, wait, and see how the market develops, because I know this is a fundamental less day, so to speak. So I'm just going to wait to see what the market wants to offer today, you know, and then I'll look to trade kind of the aftermath of all the smoke being burned. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. The 23 people in here, please make sure you tip the barber and hit the like and subscribe button, and go back and watch some of the videos, man. Go back and watch some of the videos. They're really good. Justin's video is going crazy right now. I mean, for us, right? For our status, it's going crazy. And the top-down analysis video, a lot of you tuned in for that. So I hope you're getting some value out of those videos. Thank you so much for leaving some of the comments. Feel free to put suggestions on there, things you want to hear me talk about, things you want to see me do, stuff like that. So as long as it ain't nothing crazy. So good morning, Bray.
As long as it ain't nothing crazy.
Yeah. Good morning, Bald, VO1D. Good morning, Shane. Says good morning. I reviewed some masterclass. Very good, very good. What have you learned is the question. What have you learned? Only here for the ES hype. Sorry, Hobbs. It's all good, Bray. My feelings ain't gonna be here.
Yeah.
Courtney in the building. Lou in the building. Good morning. Oh, it's Void. You just put the 1 instead of the IE. y'all know I'm slow. I just read what's up here, right? I try to read what's up here. So if y'all mess up y'all name or y'all throw something on your name that I'm not really familiar with, I'll just read it the way it is. Good morning, Bud Yeti. How you doing? Hope you guys are having a good day. Yeah, as far as news goes, though, let's see. I'm pretty sure
there's nothing today.
Yeah, there's literally no news in the U.S. today, so expect a little bit of chop to start the day off with. I'm anticipating it, but at the same time, I have my plan. I know what I want to do, and there's that. That's all I'm going to look to do until I see something else that intrigues my interest. I'm just going to look to trade my plan.
Tomorrow we have FOMC meeting minutes, but that shouldn't do
tomorrow,
too much. We should get a pop, and then that's about it.
I thought that was Wednesday. That's tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow's Wednesday.
It is Wednesday. Dang.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
What up, Jonah? Said I'll be on later. All right, bro. Shane said been around Dave for a while and was in his Discord for a few months, so not much new. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, here's the thing. I haven't been around Dave for a while. I met him when he came on my channel, but I feel like the Discord is kind of like he says, like when you're in the Discord, like that's really like you should already know what's going on, so that's good. I just feel like being in his Discord, it kind of gave me a lot more confidence that what I was doing was correct. It was just like little tweaks that I needed to make in my strategy, right? Like in the things that I was already doing. So I just think that, you know, I always advocate for him because I know that there are a lot of people that have no clue when it comes to this market. Like they literally have no clue, right? And you know, the crazy part about it is they have no clue and they think they do. That's the scary part, right? So been there, done that. So I just try to advocate. I think that he's a good baseline for anybody, right? Like anybody. And I don't mean that in a negative connotation. Like I know it's a master class, but I think that's a very good baseline for a structural person to learn structure. Once you understand that, like everything else can be built off of that, or you can just stay with that, right? Like it's all good. What up, Joe? ES is for baby boomers. Stupid.
ES is for baby boomers.
From sunny Cape Town. What's going on, Mr. Nerd? Good afternoon. Market is looking kind of bearish this morning, but again, we're holding this low right here, right? Like, so here, let me take this gray box because it's just annoying me. We're inside of this supply zone, so it makes me inherently bearish. However, if I'm just looking at what structure is doing, right? What I teach the Discord is, hey, look, this is the area you need to be focused on right here. This is the chessboard, right? So we got this low and we got this high, right? The narrative is obviously up, right? However, if you look to the left, where is this narrative coming from? Well, the narrative's coming from right here, right? So as long as we stay beneath 716, the market will remain bearish. But as long as we stay above, 613, then this trend will remain bullish. So knowing the narrative is part of the battle, right? Once we understand the narrative and we say, okay, what's happening in my chessboard, right? This is my bingo board, right? In my bingo board, this queen is in control, anointed this queen, right? Therefore, as long as we stay beneath 682, we're going to continue to come down. But then also to the bullish side, this queen is in control. She gave us a new high, right? But now we're failing to basically pull back and go back higher. So right now, the bears are in control of the trend until we break this low of this particular board right here. That's how my brain kind of like pieces out the market and puts it in pieces. I don't like to look at the market. I look at the market as a whole. Don't get me wrong. If you guys see me do it, but I like to like really narrow it down to where I'm going to trade and what I plan to do right now. So right now, if we're just looking at this trend right here, right, this little box, the goal of this low is to get above this high, right? If we get above 683, then this low will then be validated. I mean, one could argue that it's validated above these wicks, but I'm not that one. I need to see us break above a swing point. So my thesis.
Yeah, it looks like It looks like we're 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it looks like we want to come down from here.
Yeah, I'm bearish inside of this box, Yvonne. I'm bearish up here, but I'm not looking to trade it. I think we drop, but and this is just my personal opinion, so don't go trading off of this, right? I think what happens is, I think if we just zoom out, right, we zoom out to the 4 hour. This is the make it break it area for the market due to the fact that this is like the 50 or 70% area of this previous candle, right? If the market is to go bullish, it needs to get above 725. So until we get above 725 from a higher time frame, the market's bearish to me. It's just, to me, it's just that simple, right? Like below 725, I'm bearish. There's no reason. I mean, I'm not gonna say there's no reason to be bullish because I took some longs this morning, right? But looking at the overall perspective, below 725, the market's bullish or bearish. And what I think is going to happen, and this is, again, just my thesis, you don't have to trade off of it. I think we're going to slam down to start the day. We're going to hit some of these targets. We're either going to bounce off of them to put in lower highs, right? Or we're just going to flush straight through. And I think the target for the market, is 362 through about 222. That's just my thesis. It doesn't have to get there. I mean, maybe we stop at 485 and bounce. Maybe we stop at 412 and bounce. But as long as we're beneath 725, the market's not going to stay right here, right? If we stay beneath 725, you can bet your bottom dollar the market's going to continue to come down, right? Like that's
Yvonne, I got a question. You say, remember, we still have to make a high of the week today or tomorrow, but what if the high was already put in yesterday? Yesterday was Monday.
Yeah, yesterday was Monday. So the high
might have already
been yesterday. You guys just think that it wasn't because it was a holiday.
The holiday, yeah.
I don't care. Like if the high wants to get put in, like great. I'm cool with that. I'm just looking at I'm just looking at the 4 hour. Like I'm just looking at what's in front of me right now, right? Like what's in front of me right now is all I can analyze, right? I can tell you that if we stay below 725, this market's coming down. Like I don't care about a new high being put. I don't care about none of that. Because the way I'm looking at it is, as long as we stay below this 725 mark, this market's not coming back up. Like I just don't believe that, right? I think that there's a strong possibility that we come back up and retest the daily fib, but I thought that if we were going to do it, we would have did it yesterday. And the fact that the overnight session also didn't do it was kind of a red flag for me. So I'm not waiting for this thing to come all the way back up. I think we dump here.
Yeah, I think we're dumping here too. But there also is a lot of orders sitting at 655, so we'll see.
What's up, bud? What's up, J-Hawk? Top of the morning. What's going on, Chicago? Chi-Town in the building. Mr. Nerd said, did you guys catch that buy at the M15 imbalance?
No.
I don't trade. I'm not going to say I don't trade imbalances. I don't know what I trade, right? I trade structure. So you would have to clarify exactly where the M15 imbalance is, because I assume this
probably a 15-minute fair value gap. I'm assuming.
Yeah, I'm assuming you're talking about right here at 0.5 where we put this imbalance in here, and then you just traded it long back up through there, right? I'm assuming that's what you mean. But I would have traded it long, again, speaking the same language, just different vocab, right? If I was going to trade it long, I would have traded it long based off this demand zone right here and what I'm seeing off the tape, right?
I think, oh, wait, which imbalance did you call out? Which one?
This one at 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 5 a.m. You guys' time. I'm on UTC 5 now, so.
Oh, I think he might have been talking about an imbalance at the from the 13th of February, because there was a huge imbalance over there. He
said the M15. So
yeah, he's talking about the 15-minute imbalance. M is per minute.
That's why I'm on the 15-minute chart.
Yeah, no. So if you go back to the 13th, there's a fair value gap there that was put in the market.
Why do I need to go back there when there's one right here? Like there's literally one right here.
Unless
I'm like, why do I need to go all the way back there? There's one right here.
Actually, I don't know if he's talking about because he said that the buy. That's why.
Yeah. So you to fill the imbalance, you buy into the imbalance. So if this is a gap right here from 655 to 642, you would buy the market expecting the market to fill this imbalance. It's just a gap, right? Just imagine this being a gap right here, right?
Yeah,
In
I don't.
spots.
Yeah.
So I think that's what he's talking about. I don't know.
I don't know. Whatever.
I'm guessing. I'm just guessing. But correct us if we're wrong. 7 a.m.
Yeah,
candle,
he said 7
UTC
a.m.
5.
candle.
Okay, let me see. 7 a.m. candle. You took this long right here? Okay, what price did you get in is what I'm trying to figure out.
So you took the tap of,
or did you take the tap in? Oh, okay.
You took the tap back into.
Yeah, so you looked at this as an imbalance on the 07, and then you took the tap at 845, I assume, back up. That's a good trade. I like that trade for sure. I just thought you were saying to fill this imbalance. Again, I understand what an imbalance is. I just don't understand the strategy in which you use to trade it. That's all.
Yeah. The fill, yeah. Okay.
The fill. Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. So I was correct. The fill of the imbalance. Okay. Whew. That was complicated. Look, again, I understand ITC or ICT, but my biggest issue with ICT is some of the community members, right? I'm gonna say the majority of the ones that I've met, right? Not the ones that the real ones know who they are, right? But the majority of the ones that I've heard talk, my first problem is the cult-like mentality, right? Like I can't stand that shit. It drives me crazy, right? We all grown, whatever. Anyway, I'm not gonna get into it. The second part is, and I hope you guys took that short because I definitely walked you right through it. But anyway, the second thing that I dislike is, the second thing that I would prefer not to deal with is the vocabulary barrier, right? Because there's all of these different things that you got to learn, and it's just like, man, can you simplify that? And that's why, like, for me, I try to simplify things to make more sense, right? Fully agree with you, DTFX for the win, though. Yeah, no, I like them all, right? Like, I think that there's something to take away from everything. As long as everything is based off structure. I have two runners shorted at 99. Yeah, I shorted at 84. I shorted at 94, and then I shorted at 84. And I just took 10 points and got up out of there. But I called out 698 on the Discord about 2 hours ago. I was like, 698 is the sweet spot. And then we ran up to like 700. So, but I guess for me, it's like more simplicity and more money. Exactly. That's the way I look at it. Like, that's why for my Discord members, I just created my own like analogy for the market, and we call it the chessboard. You got to join Discord for me to break it down. I'm pretty sure I've broken it down on live before, but my Discord members was like, bro, you gotta brand that. So I'm not gonna give it out for free on the YouTube channel anymore. But just know that I look at the market like a chessboard, right? But it's all based off structure. And once I understood that for my brain, the vocabulary went away. Like, I don't care about fair value gaps. I don't care about imbalances. I don't care about turtle soup. I don't care about none of that stuff. I mean, supply and demand that's just economic talk, right? Like, if you go to any economics teacher and tell them about supply and demand and equilibrium, they will be able to understand the market, right? Those are normal terms. Turtle soup is not a normal term. I'm sorry. I hate to break y'all bubble, but turtle soup is not something that I was like, man, when I was trading turtle soup, you know what I mean? Like, I know exactly what you're talking about. Here comes the flush up here. Market is open. Yeah, I just like to simplify things. That's it. That's all I like to do. I just like to make it simple. And to me, there's too much terminology for my blood in ICT. But there are things that I like about ICT that I add to my own strategy, right? Are good for marketing point of view. Exactly. That's basically like, I mean, even, I was watching a video. It was a hate video on ICT, full disclosure. But I was watching a video yesterday when I was in the bed, and these bulls said, nope, I was watching a video this morning or yesterday, and they were talking about, they were putting out a couple. I've never heard ICT speak other than like his one video that I watched, and it was just because they said he was trading live. And yeah, anyway, but I think he's birthed this mentality of, well, if you're not us, then F you. You know what I mean? And then I just think that's, I just think that that's very, very cultish, especially for the newcomer, right? The newcomer will say, "Well, if you ain't us, you ain't nothing. If you ain't trading ICT, you ain't nothing." And it's just not how the market works, right? The market does not work like, "Oh, okay, well, if this guy's trading ICT or this guy's trading DTFX, you're gonna win a lot." No, that's not how the market works. The market rewards patience, and the market rewards those that do the work. That's it, right? Once you do the work and you understand your philosophy, whatever that is, I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. But since we're speaking on the subject, all right. Meanwhile, the market is getting aggressively bullish up here. Buyers are clearing liquidity. Meta said, "F you, Hobbs. We're going to continue to buy." It is taking off. Apple is trying to push out. Microsoft is pushing, but Nvidia is coming down. Nvidia is coming down. Very, very interesting.
Man, oh man.
Woo-wee. Bulls are very much alive. Apple is pushing. Meta is pushing. Amazon is pushing. Breaking through this supply zone. Market said, "Bro, get out of here with that whack pre-market plan of yours. We're gonna tell you to kick rocks." Remember?
No.
I think 25 is the level we got to stay under. You can see the interest from sellers up at 25. I got my I'm sharing my book map, right? I just wanted to make sure. Okay, good. I just wanted to make sure I was. Yeah, we ignore these 100 because they're like standing orders. Everywhere the market goes, every 10, like for 10 points, it just travels with the market, right? Remember, I said as long as we stay below 725, I think the market's still bearish. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
I want to see. Go ahead, brother.
I was going to say, I'm definitely staying out of this volatility right now until the market kind of settles down and figures it out.
Oh, look at that. Aggressive sell candle. Ooh, that's nasty.
Yeah.
Let's see. 723.50.
A lot of aggressive selling.
A lot of aggressive selling right below 725. This is crazy. If only we knew it was coming. Okay. All right. I see you, market. Sit private, entered short at 717. That's crazy. That's wild. That's wild that we didn't break 725. That's crazy. If only somebody told you. That's why I respect Dave. He always says we all in this together and we all go our story. We all got our story and keep moving forward. So we all will make it. Exactly. And I just think I see a lot of people hating on him too now, which is crazy to me. It's crazy that somebody could give you sauce for free, right? And then also offer a paid Discord and you still find a way to call him a scammer. It's like, do y'all not realize everything that he teaches in the paid Discord, it's already in the masterclass? Like the only thing he's giving you in the paid Discord is homework. He's giving you his honest critique on everything that you're doing, right? Like, and he's not sugarcoating anything, which is good. That's all good. And that's not me giving away the sauce because he'll tell you that himself, right? Like, if you don't want to pay him, just go watch the free Discord or don't. I just don't understand how somebody could literally watch an educational course that has 31 hours of free education and then somehow be like, yeah, Dave's a scammer, bro. He's a scammer. It's like, people pay money optionally, right? Like, it's not like they are forced to pay him. Like, it's not a thing. So, I don't know. If we're gonna bounce from this area. Again, this demand zone is still intact, right? As long as we hold this low down here, then this demand zone is gonna still be intact, guys. From 680 through roughly about 646. I still like shorts. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I was literally about to say is if we retest 698. Yeah,
a lot of selling going on, like a lot more Yeah, there's a lot more large sellers than buyers in the market right now.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Sure.
Sellers are definitely more in control than buyers. More in control than buyers. As far as the tape goes, as far as structure, the Bears are losing. They're losing structure real fast right now. I mean, the Bulls are losing structure really fast right now. Yeah, same level at 725. Yep, that's exactly what I said. If we can't get above 725, this market's gonna come right back down, and it's gonna come down fast. Nah, bro, they put food on my family table. The hate didn't pay my water or electric bill. Exactly. Like I look, man. You guys know how I feel about Dave. Like if you don't know, then you better ask somebody, right? And here comes the flush. That's about 100-point move right there. So congratulations if you paid attention. If you paid attention, I was giving you the sauce. I was giving you the sauce. I'm still waiting. I just want to see, a little more from the market. I honestly want to see this thing completely dump before I try to get in. Again, I'm not in a rush. I've already traded. Probably took 4 trades already this morning, so I'm not really tripping. But this is the move that might be the move, so to speak, right? So.
Yeah, we're continuing to come down.
Mm-hmm.
We're struggling right here, though.
Bro, I had a line on my Top Step account at 721. I don't know where this line came from, but golly, it tapped this mofo and went down.
Ooh, I'm about to break this level.
I love it. Dump it, baby. Dump it. Let's check on Meta now.
Still big selling.
For a second there, I thought I was wrong, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. That candle had me thinking I was incorrect. But Lord have mercy, Nvidia. What do they know? What do they know about Nvidia that we don't know? Amazon dropping to the floor. Meta is still pumping though, and Apple's reversing. ES is just kind of chilling. But yo. 725, bro. 725 to stay alive. Time to break 613 structure down. Yep. The next structure I got is let me see. Let me see her. I gave y'all the free sauce this morning, man. Come on.
They're trying to defend 615. That's where they're gonna pick up.
Yeah, that low.
So we should see a bounce down there at 615.
It's a lot of orders
only momentary. Yeah, but it'll only be momentary though. Oh, and 600 too. Actually, I might want to play a long off 600 if they fill those orders. But
my longs, the only area I'm looking to get long is when we come down to 362. Other than that,
well,
I'm not fighting these close.
There's like 500 orders between 615, 605,
bro,
and
600. That's just. I'm about to say that's just rocket fuel. There's a lot of orders down there. They try to get they gotta look. Somebody's gotta. These sellers gotta buy from somebody. So of course.
Well, that's people. That's either people closing out their position or getting into new buys. So
yeah, I think they're closing out of their positions probably.
It could be.
This
we'll see what happens. Nah, it's strong selling. I'm not stepping in. I'm not stepping in front of this. I'm not stepping in front of the selling. Don't get it twisted. I'm just saying.
I know you guys. Shoot.
Yeah, no, don't get it twisted. I'm not stepping in front of this. This is strong selling. I'm good. But
if anything, I'm looking for ways to get short on the pullbacks. I'm not looking for longs. The sellers are clearly in control, and I don't want to counter trend trade this market. When the market is this bearish, I'm just gonna wait for pullbacks to take the market short. Like,
oh, I know the market's gonna continue selling. I'm just curious to see what they do once they fill all these orders. That's all.
Where the oh my God.
Well, those orders are gone.
Okay, rocket fuel. God. All right, let's. Don't play with these bulls. Don't play with these bears today, bro. This VIX is getting juicy. Woo. Sorry, guys. I was looking at the tape. 547. Yeah, I got 545 next. Yeah, you reading the same way you reading it the same way I'm reading it. Nvidia's finally selling off. Yep, taking the market with it. Yep, 100%.
Yeah, we coming down.
I got a 540.50 and then 485, 412, and then 362. That's what I got. Let it dump, baby. Set the market on fire. Boom.
Jesus.
Mm-hmm. Where all them bulls at now, huh? Where you at, EVAL? Where that new high at? Where that new high at?
That thing is coming down.
Sheesh. As long as we stay below 725, this market's coming down. Free sauce. You can go ahead and quote that. Free sauce. Nvidia's selling off and taking the market with it. Yo, this is a straight hush. I knew this stuff was coming at some point.
Dumping.
Oh my God! Look at Nvidia. All right, Nvidia's coming into demand right now at 680.54. So right on time. The market's coming. Market just tried to drop below. Dang, did we get to 560? Gee, I didn't realize we came down that fast. Golly. Yeah, I'm
not taking longs.
I'm not touching longs today. Y'all can have all the longs on the way back up. The only way I'm touching longs is if we come to a higher time frame demand, which is the 4 hour, and that's at 362.50. That's the only way I'll touch longs.
I'm in a 4 hour right now at 609. This is where the market's bounced here like 3 or 4 times. Check this.
Oh, you're talking about the one 609? Yeah, I see that one.
Yeah, the market's bounced here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. This is the 6th time the market's been down here. But I think we might, if we break this one,
I'm just looking at the
it's going to be a bad day.
No way we're not about to break this. I think we're coming right down to 540, then 485, 412, and then 362. No way.
Yeah, it's going to be a bad day for the market.
And look at that perfect double top, guys, on the 4 hour. If you see those perfect wicks, remember I told you what Dave talks about? When you see those perfect double top wicks at the highs on higher time frames, it's a good sign that the market's about to take out some swings, right? And the market's doing some freaking damage right now inside of this 4 hour. The crazy part is it was all good like 20 minutes ago. This candle looked totally different 20 minutes ago. It was literally a full body candle all the way up to 722. And it was just like, nope, dumb.
We're probably coming back up. Hopefully. We got to come back up, right? At least once.
This happened to just to get PTSD. This just happened to me last night.
Yeah, this happened to me last night. But I wasn't really trying to trade the market open anyway, so I'm not. Really
no, I'm not tripping at all. There was no way I was trading the open volatility. I saw it, but I wasn't willing to put the risk on it. Right?
I was like, too.
Yeah,
I had that long dead to rights. I had a demand zone, a 5-second demand zone down there, and we tapped the bid line perfectly. But I would have had to put a limit order there to catch it. There's no other way. But it's all good.
Well, the tape told the biggest story for me. When I saw that liquidity sweep, I think that's why Valdez was like, "Yo, what's up there at 24?" I'm like, "Let me look at the tape," and I couldn't get the tape to load quick enough. But yeah,
there wasn't anything up there. I think we just were going back up to test that high one last time before taking out the low. Now the question is, how high do we come back up on this retest? Because we're coming back up, right? We got to. Price is rounding up.
Yeah, I want to
see come picked up a little bit.
582. I'll take it short if we come back up there. Let me see what the 1 minute looks like.
Set 5. Oh, you're trying. Oh, okay.
Oh no,
I want us to come all the way back up to 620.
Yeah, 622. Sorry, I was looking at something else on the. I was looking at the tape. I'm looking at the chart now. So yeah, I like this area right here for shorts. Right here.
Okay, yeah, yours is a little bit higher than mine, but yeah, I just like that drop base drop. A lot of times when we get that drop base drop on the 1 minute, we'll come back up and retest it.
Mine is literally at the exact same level you just named. You said 620, right?
Oh yeah, no, I'm saying. Oh no, I just said you extended your box higher than mine. That's all.
Oh yeah, I'm just covering the previous high, like this high right here. Because sometimes we'll knock 50%, and the 50% wouldn't be 50% wouldn't just be this full wick. I would just take this entire area as a box. But a lot of times what we get instead of a pullback and filling this quote unquote imbalance, right? What'll happen is we'll just dump from here and create new structure, which I'm okay with that as well. I'm just not going to trade that.
Yeah, it looks like we're consolidating down here at the low. Could be trying to build up some steam for buyers to come back up for that lower high to be put in, or we could just dump.
Y'all better be eating in the Discord, bro. Y'all should be kill counting this right now. I'm being a little bit more patient because I took some trades already this morning and they worked out pretty well. But I'm definitely ready now. Let this market come back up to 620 through roughly about 652. If it doesn't come back down, then hey, it wasn't meant for me, baby. It wasn't meant, or come back up. It wasn't meant for me.
Price is starting to squeeze down here. See which way we end up going.
Well, 682 was the level that I saw on the tape, but I was hoping that we came back up to structure.
Yeah, it's just price is just squeezing right here to make a decision whether or not we want to go up or continue back down.
The VIX is definitely participating in this battle as well. We're at the 40s on the VIX. God, Amazon is selling off.
Some more strong buying coming into the market right now.
We're at that 49.92, which is the middle of that demand zone on ES as well. 49.250.
All right, here we go.
Just like, I'm getting a pullback, guys. I'm getting a pullback. It's really happening.
We'll see. Unless this fails.
Yeah, on the 15-second, this is supply right here. We might not even make it to that 620 level, but I want us to.
It looks like there's a lack of buying.
Nah, I think it's coming back up. It's got to come back up, right?
No, it doesn't.
He's like, no, not after what I watched last night. You traumatized from last night. He said, no,
I'm not.
No, it doesn't.
I mean, it did come back up eventually and just kept pushing higher and higher. And
God, this sweeper, bro. Oh no. Oh yeah, no,
we might have just failed to the downside right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till it comes up.
Oh, I'm definitely waiting. I'm just watching this pattern right now. We're in like a
this low right here. We're in a bear flag right now.
Yeah. Just watching on the 15-second chart.
So am I. On Top Step X, baby. Shout out to Top Step X.
I just don't want to.
Don't head fake, man. Dude, take what you want, bro. Take what you want. You see it?
Nah, I'm chilling.
All right, well then, shut up. Quit whining about it.
I'm not whining.
Yeah. I'm messing with you, guys. I'm debating it.
More big selling prints are coming in, but if I'm going to take this short here, I want to see a couple more big selling prints before I took it short. I haven't seen that yet. There's another one.
Yeah, I took it at 79. Just trailing real tight here. Dang, what happened? How did I get stopped out?
The mark. Probably the way you were messing with the brackets. Because
yeah, I tried to put it at break even, and it just popped me out. I was like, what? What just happened? That sucks.
Yeah, probably the way you was messing with the brackets.
Well, and it's the 15-second chart, so it pops back up pretty quickly. Dang,
yeah, that happened to me too. Oh, that happened to me like 3 times the other day when I was trying to take a trade. It's almost like you kind of have to let the trade start to develop a little bit. Yeah, and then you can move it. Or you go down to the 5
second.
second.
79. Top step. Oh no, no. Come on, Top Step. Yo, what? Hold on, let me look at the 15 second and see where price went to. Because I'm pretty sure I did not put it close to that. 79, where'd price go to? 76?
So you got but you got to remember on Top Step, like for whatever reason, when you put it down, if it runs it, even if you haven't clicked the button yet to undo it, if it runs it, it's gonna take it out.
Man, that's unfortunate. That's a 20-point trade right there. That's all right. We'll catch the next one. I had the right idea. Shut up. You shut up right now. You shut up right now. I know that, darn it. I know that, darn it. I know it's about to be like a 50 or 100 point banger. Yeah. He said, nah, it's about to be more than 20 points. I was like, I know it's about to be more than 20 points. Top step. They did me dirty. They did me dirty. Oh, top step. All right, here's our first target right here. Potential bounces right here. And I'm just gonna leave Top Step alone. They pissed me off with that one just now. 540 is where we were looking for price to react to. So we're at 542.75, and it looks like the market's some buyers are stepping in right here. So again, this is why I said 540 would be my target. That would have been my first target, 540.50. Oh, look at that. Come on. I mean, come on, man. How you gonna fade the shot, baby? First target, correct. Market, shut up. You shut up right now. I was short at 7.9. That was a 30-point move right there. Almost a 40-point banger right there. Lord Jesus, Top Step. I'd have been done trading. I think that would have been the max on the day. Dang, that sucks. All right, I'll catch the next one. Come sweep 546. Yeah. Are you looking for 540? Yeah, they swept it. They swept 546, but I think they're gonna come back up, maybe get me back in at 79 again, which is what I want. So let's see. Let's see if they let me back in at 79. Unless we come up here super bullish, but I'm looking for 70 to roughly about 7.9 to hold. What's up, Dory? What's going on, Joe? It's okay, man. It's 5. Oh. Relax, man. Just relax, bro. I promise you it's gonna be all right, bro. I feel the same way sometimes, man, but I promise you, well, have you ever tried, or you ever considered trading a little bit earlier before you take the kids to school? Yeah. I feel you.
And the buyers.
All right, this actually looks strong. So I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I was about to say this actually looks strong, so I'm gonna stay away for now. Maybe we come back up to 618. Yeah, this is at 540 tap. Yeah, exactly. That's why I marked it on my chart as well. It's been holding since January, so I have it at. Yeah, I've started to add those levels. Like if you, I added 540.50, 485.50, and 412.25, and then the demand zone is at 362.50. 480, no, so 540.50, 485.50, 412.25, and then the demand zone is at 362.50. Oh, I don't have that. I don't have my screen up. I can show it to you though. Hang on. Okay, dope. Yeah. Well, yeah, these are these. I got it in bold as far as the targets. And you see, we came right to that mofo. Just in case people think, yeah, yeah, and they're just all those wicks. You know what I mean? And I've noticed that you use those as well. And I was like, you know what? Like, I need to start marking these levels because why not? Like, you know. No, I was saying, I need to start marking these levels because I know you mark those levels as well. And I know they work well for you. I told you guys this is a trading community, man. If I see something I like, well, it's still good to have them on there, though, right? You know what I mean? Like, even if yeah. I just like to have them there so I can be like, okay, if I'm gonna short the market, I know that there's structure here, right? So let me be out by the time we come here, right? No, why you got the previous day low right there? Previous day low is at 772. Or did you not count Monday? You?
No, unless you're talking about a different day.
Oh, he's saying previous day low from a different day. Okay, gotcha. Right.
That we definitely did not get this low yesterday.
No, definitely not. Yesterday's low was 772. Like it's 100 points away. Yesterday's low is at 17,772.25. I think, unless I didn't mark these yesterday. Let me double check. Don't have me lying to you. Yeah, no, I got it at 9:30, or at the low came in at 11 o'clock Eastern.
Yeah, 1772. Yeah, I got the same low. It's a supply zone for me, but yeah.
No. I think you're saying something than what you don't mean. You keep saying 721, but I think you mean 772. That's where I think the confusion is coming in, because you keep saying. Oh, okay. No, I thought you said 7221, not 772. That's where I think the confusion is coming in. See, you did it again. You said 721. No, I'm not tripping. It's 772 is the last three numbers.
Yeah, I got 772 as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You keep saying 721, but it's 772. Yeah. All right, so let's see. Where are we in price? Did we get that sweep at 81 again? That's the next level. 59.
Yeah, Jonah, I think you're looking at Friday. Jonah.
Oh, is he looking at Fridays?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I think you're looking at Friday's price action, not Monday. On Monday we came back up.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. 721. Okay, yeah. Friday's low is 721. Sometimes that's what I was asking. I thought maybe you just didn't mark previous day low and previous day high from Monday just because it was a holiday, but I did. That's why I think we were so far off. I'm like, nope. We came up about 50 points. Dang, I missed my 79 entry again. Okay, that's why then. All right, that's why we're speaking a different language. Dang, I missed my entry at 79 again. Brother, lover. Ah! It's all good, guys. It's all good. Reading price action pretty well, just chopping it up. Nah, I think we're coming down. I have no faith in the Bulls today. Zero. Yeah, I have zero faith in the Bulls today. You know how we felt all for the last 7 months? Where he's like, yeah, this thing's coming back up. It's coming back up. That's how I feel about the Bears today. I was like, any attempt to buy this market, I just feel, God, look at all of this selling volume. Jeez. It's not. Where are they right now? Are you in relationship to the Qs? lot of people betting on people selling Nvidia in preparation for earnings. I don't think that the selling is going to continue. Well, Nvidia they have earnings tomorrow, so I think a lot of people may be selling out of Nvidia just to protect themselves because they're up. They have to be up so much, right? Like Nvidia since the last earning is up like $300. So like you'd be crazy to hold through this earnings to not take something off the table. Yeah, so this exactly.
We're back down testing this low. Probably gonna break it.
This low is not a valid low. So just curious, just for those that are trying to trade this long, just understand that this low down here is not a valid low because it failed to put in a new high, right? So once we tapped 82 and we started to come back down, this low was in danger of being taken out, right? So the only way that this low becomes valid is if we put in a new high. That's the only way I'd be looking for longs to longer term, right? Scalps are okay, but until we put in a validated low, this low is not going to hold, or it's in danger of not holding.
Oh, the low already got broke.
Oh, I know. I'm just discussing it as it was happening and in hindsight. But now here comes the retest of that 540.50 level. Now price should be looking to hold beneath 540, and then the next target is going to be 485.50. At least what I saw on my chart. So far so good. Everything that we wrote in the pre-market plan and everything we talked about pre-market, right? When the show started, is happening, right? Like, and I'm cool with this. Like I said, like to me, I take a lot of trades before the show starts, and I take a lot of trades after I'm done with the show. So that in the show, one thing that I notice is in the show, sometimes I try to teach too much or I try to do all of this stuff, and I end up missing trades or I enter trades too late. So to kind of counteract that, I like to get all my money before I even show up, or I get some more afterwards, right? But you can see we're breaking through that 540, looking to tap 485.50, and then after that 412.25, and then finally 362.50, which will probably be around lunchtime, unless the market wants to get stupid bullish or stupid bearish. You can look at the VIX and see that the VIX is also following suit. Here, I'll take you over there to the VIX so you guys can see. The VIX does the opposite of the market, right? So if the VIX is pumping, well, guess what the market's going to be doing? It's going to be straight up flushing. And you can see, whether you believe it or not, you can see it with your own eyes. The market is dumping. What is the VIX doing? It's absolutely ripping, right? Eventually, we're going to come to one of these supply zones. We're going to get rejected, and that's going to be the pullback of the market. Do I know when that's going to happen? No. Do I have levels of interest? Absolutely, right? My level of interest currently sits at 362 to the downside, right? I mean, to come all the way back up to a key level for loans. Yeah. To me, I can't take a long until we take out a high. If I get a loan to take out one of these highs, like the most recent high is 582.25. If we take out a high and we close above it, then I'll look for the retest and look to long it back up to potentially 619.75. But the further we trade away from 619, the more I feel like we're not gonna retest it. Instead, we'll come back up and retest this 500 level, this 575 level. But the Bears are back in town right now. I can say that much. So
yeah, I'm viewing this a little differently. I think we might be getting ready to have a pretty massive push up. If you look at the CVD, it's making higher lows, but the market's making lower highs. So there's been some disguised buying going on in this downtrend that could cause a nice rally at some point in the day. I could be wrong, and I don't know when it's going to happen, but just looking at the CVD, we should be making lower lows, but every single time we make a lower low, the CVD is making lower highs all the way coming as we're coming down. So just something to note.
Yeah. I'll just reiterate that I'm not disagreeing with you guys. I'm just saying
I know you want to wait for the structure to break to the upside before you look. I don't disagree with that at all.
Okay, cool. Because
Yeah, you could take the you could definitely take the early entry. I think the early entry is going to come off the 15-second or the 5-second.
Yeah.
When we break a intermediate if we can break an intermediate high. Yeah, an intermediate high.
Right, I'm already up 8, and I'm like, I'll just wait for more. Yeah, I'm up 8 on one, and then like 3 on the other one, and I'm just like, do I really want to do anything? Nah, I don't have to. I'll wait. Yvonne says 423.25. Is that your next target, Yvonne? Just out of curiosity. And then Micaiah has 466.
NQ.
No. He's just giving the last 3.
NQ.
NQ. So I don't think anybody's left. There's only like one person left trading ES. We've converted everybody over. Jonah started this infections. Oh no, Pop's still trading ES. We just haven't seen Pop in a while.
I'm trading NQ today. I'll trade either or, but NQ's been moving nicely. But I like to wait for the volatility to slow down a little bit on NQ. So
yeah, you already gone.
Yeah, we know you got Mr. 10 points. That's your new nickname, Mr. 10 points.
10 points, baby. 10 points and go. Let's get it.
I'm gonna need you to change your name. You're no longer Hustle for Life. You're Mr. 10 points.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
All right, guys.
We know you're good for 10.
Real quick, if you're gonna remain book bearish, you want to see price stay beneath 570, right? We could reject at this level because this is obviously resistance. This is why I don't want to touch the longs yet, right? Like I know that they can come in, and I'm looking at the tape and I'm seeing everything that Justin is seeing, but I want to stick to my rules, right? And my rules are I'm not touching longs until the order flow shifts. The order flow has shifted on a lower time frame though, right? If we go back down to the 15-second, order flow shifted right here. We broke the high, we came back down and retested the low, we came back down, and now we're pushing up, right? I understand that, but I also understand that this is going to be counter trend, and it's going to be super choppy, and it's not something I want to participate in. So I'm just going to wait. I'm up on the day, and I don't have to take any trades if I don't want to. You never have to take any trades unless you want to, right? But at the same time, I want to take trades in the direction of the trend, and to me, the trend is down right now. Not to me. The fact is the market is trending down right now. No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
Well, every rally has failed so far, so it's kind of hard to fight that at the moment. But if you look at the it is trying. But if you look at the 1 minute, the downtrend is kind of starting to slow down. Like every move down is getting smaller and smaller. I think this is let's see, we got 1 swing, 2 swings. This is the 3rd swing down. So, or actually, this would be the 4th swing down if we break this low. So it just seems it feels like the bears are kind of starting to slow down a little bit, and we could see a potential turn in the market soon.
I was like, I don't know what y'all looking at, but I'm just looking at all of this selling that keeps coming into the market.
I see all the selling.
Like, I'm like, bro, I feel you, but I'm just not gonna fight what I see. Like,
I don't
feel, but what I'm seeing is the market just keeps coming down lower.
Like, I don't think that we're gonna get like some massive 100-point rally back to the upside or 200-point rally back to the upside. I'm not saying that, but I think we can at least get like 50 points.
That's
I'm
all
not
I'm saying. I'm
not saying that at all. I'm just saying that I'm starting to see things slow down a little bit, at least in this area. I mean, we could continue to drop.
Let's see if they push up here. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful price action today for a Monday too, right? Like that's what you want to see. All right, let's see if this look. Yeah. It's definitely Tuesday, right? He says it's definitely Tuesday, just so you know. Just so you know why you out here talking about for a Monday. All right, comes that retest of 540.50, getting rejected at 540.50 again. Trying to break these lows at 521 to head us down to 485.50. I'm in the camp that we're gonna keep going until we hit 362. That's the camp I'm in. Potential turn here, beginning of new 4 hour. All right, let's see it. Flip it, baby, flip it. Need to break 528 to continue down. Yeah, I agree. I think we need to hold under 540, but we're gonna pop back up. But oh, do we? Oh, is that where we're headed to right now? I do like the idea of a 4 hour bounce here. Let me see where the 50% of this 4 hour candle that just closed here. Dang. Oh, for smart money concepts. Yeah. Just we definitely love the smart money concepts tool. I think that's one of my favorite indicators. If I ever use an indicator, that's one that I would 100% endorse because it just trades like how I trade. It basically trades supply and demand. More and more buying, more and more selling that's not bringing the market down. Potentially looking at reversals down here. Let's see if this was a shoulder that just got printed over here at 533. But to me, again, we gotta put in a new high. Right? As long as we can get above 55 and come back down and retest 36. Yep. Yeah. Just give me something. Like do something other than get gobbled up. Yeah. Yeah. Like I'll let you just break that one. You break that one, you got me. But if you can't even do that, nope. Sell it in. Keep selling it. Keep selling. I need you to at least get above this high right here. Switch, God bless you. Just switch order flow, get above 56. Until we do that, the market's gonna be bearish. And here we go, trying to put in a new low. There's the new low. There's the new low. Yeah. All rallies are getting gobbled up, ladies and gentlemen. It's hard to be a bull on a day where the market is so bearish.
Did you say pause?
Hey man, hang on 1 second.
You can do whatever you want to do. I haven't. I never said. Oh, well, hey, that's on you. That ain't got nothing to do with me. Nah,
he said he lay his sword down for you.
Nah, I think the shorts are going to continue here. We're going down to 500. That's what it looked like.
Yeah, we got to get above 56 for lows. I'm the same way, bro. I'm the. Hold on a second, guys. I want to acknowledge I Got Rug. First of all, condolences to you, brother. Condolences to you and your family. And prayers go out for whatever loss in your family that you had. We thank you for stopping by the shop. As always, we'll be here for you, man. But he says, "What's going on, guys? Been a while. I had a loss in the family that I need to take time off from trading, but let's get those puts." He went away, came back. He's still short the market. I love it. I hope everything is okay with you, brother. Thanks for coming back and hanging out with us. So God bless you and your family, brother. Yeah, need to get above 56. Yeah, so now we need to get above. If we put this new low in, then I settle for just to break above 43. Just get above 43. Fools, y'all got this. They're gonna come out of here at some point. The market's not gonna continue to sell off all day long. What number swing are we on, Dre?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the fifth.
You do count this one as the fifth? Okay, cool. Or
Yeah.
you count this one right here, the rally, the drop base drop as a swing?
No.
Yeah. 1, 2,
No,
3.
that one. No, we had to wait till we broke above a candle.
Gotcha.
I think the market's about to go here,
Okay.
though.
Yeah, we're looking like we're gonna put in some action here. 520 is the left shoulder. If this works, if we push out of here, the 520 is going to be the left shoulder in the area where I would entertain longs. If we can close above some structure, just get above some structure and pull back. I would entertain longs into 559. I'm sorry, into 568 through roughly about 602. That's about as far as I can go longs.
Now we're coming back down. Is this rally gonna fail or nope? Okay, it's not gonna fail.
Good early entry probably would have been taken off the 15-second chart over here, but again, for me, when we're this bearish, like you need to prove something on the 1 minute first. I'm not taking nothing off the 15-second until I see something off the 1 minute that makes me happy. Otherwise, I'm just gonna look to short it.
Yeah, we had some nice selling again. Yeah, we had some nice selling right here.
Yeah, this late in the game, it's hard for me to be a seller, right? Like this far down, ain't no way. Ain't no way. To me, I feel like you asking the market to do a lot more than what's necessary.
Are you looking at the shoulder at 519, or are you looking at the shoulder at 34? Because I'm looking at it at 519.
519.25.
Okay, cool. Just making sure we're on the same page here.
Yeah. Nah, the shoulder, the target, that was my target for the shorts at 542.5, and we hit that thing clean.
Yeah, we're popping up now.
We're popping all back above. I just want to see us close above something here. Or we're going to come back down really aggressive if we fail right here. All right, we're eating up that seller too, so maybe the market's ready to push up a little bit here. Let me see where the VIX is at and all this. VIX still looks. Oh, VIX is at supply right now on the 1 hour.
All right, coming back down. We did break a little bit of structure. If you count the structure break at 34, if you're waiting to get above 47, we did not do that. But there are some trap sellers down at the low though at 15. So
yeah,
15 and then 10.
And they're supporting 500 with about 165 orders down there.
Yeah, that's put down. Yeah, that's
to me, structurally, we haven't done anything. I still need to see 56 break. Otherwise, I'm looking like yeah. I'm still salty. I was in at 79. That was a 50-point move from here. I freaking hate Top Step right now. And you say nothing about this. Say nothing. You say nothing. Damn, we had this market. We had this market dead to rights, y'all. Let me see. What was our pre-market plan? Let's see. Where's our bearish plan? There's one of them right here. What is? Oh wow. Yeah, you need to take it. You need to take them right now. They ain't gonna be worth. Yeah, I'm about to say they ain't gonna be worth. They ain't gonna be worth much more unless you take them right now. You need to take them right now.
Let me start magneting those.
All right, clean. I still need to see some structure break. I ain't buying this. Yep. Our pre-market plan was look to short rallies in the 4-hour supply at 670 through 724. The market came as high as 72325. and then look to target first 485.50, 412, and then 362. I didn't have 540 marked though here. I marked 540 when we came on board. Once I started to look at the market a little bit deeper, but I mean, we still might hit 485. All right. So the more I put these plans together, the more I see. Did you see the NDQ coming down? 16,978. What's NDQ? Is that the NASDAQ? Is that what we're watching right now?
I think that is the NASDAQ. Just the it's like the SPX version, I think.
Yes. Somebody in Discord just got long as well. Yeah, I think this could push out here. I don't know. I want a little more. At 570 or right now. Yeah. We just. Yeah, no, we need. I don't want to. I don't want to. Yeah. I don't want to long it. I don't want to long it here. Yeah. I don't want to long it here, and I don't want to short it here. I'm not doing nothing right here. Like he said, not looking good.
Yeah, I was open to longs there too, Valdez, but
nope. I've seen this movie so many times, bro. Like I have zero desire to trade this. I've seen that fake out of the highs. He said, not looking good. Help me, please. Yeah, bro. When the market is this bearish, I have to see certain things, or I just will not take it. I will not take it. If you're gonna take it long, this is probably more like the entry right here. But nope, I'm not touching it. Yeah, let's go, Mr. 10-point out again. Yeah, anytime hustle in the opposite direction, except for that one day. If it's gonna bounce, it needs to bounce. We need to bounce here. I think I might take this long. Hang on. Nope. Pretty much.
We're getting some aggressive buying coming out of this.
Yahweh! help me, please. Oh boy. All right, I like that. I like this here.
Bingo boys, what is that? Oh, Bengals. Connecticut doesn't have a sports team. Well, I guess they have like hockey. Oh well, yeah, they do have UConn. And the girls. Oh, you know what? I didn't even watch March Madness last year. I'm not gonna lie to you. No.
Bro, I was liking it, and I'm like, bro, until we break that structure, bro. No, I thought it. Bro, we told you. We told you. It's only 200. Ain't nothing but 200. Yeah. I'm sitting over here looking. I'm like, man, I really want to take this loan, but whew. The buy-in's just not it. Right? Like the buy-in's not here. right? The selling is engulfing all of the buying. So it's just, for me, that's why I said, like, until we get above some type of structure, I'm staying out. Bye bye. Thanks for the liquidity. I told you, bro. Now this is something I would entertain because we just tapped 500. That's what I want to see. That's what I wanted to see. Now we got your liquidity. Now I just want to see a break of the highs. Thank you. Then we can go. That's what I want to see. That's what I was waiting on. It's a little bitty sweep.
I think we might come back down one more time to tap. We still haven't taken out that 500 low.
We got to take out that high first. When we take out that high, I'm interested. If we don't take out that high, they can keep it. Ew. We got to get above that high at 28, or else we're gonna just continue to come down. Just wait, man. Just wait. It's gonna come. I know. It's gonna come. It'll tell you when it's time. All right. Yeah, they came and got you, bro. That's why I was just sitting there. I was like, all right. We need to get above 528, 529 on the 15 second. And then I'll be looking for longs when we come back down to 511. If we can come back down to 511. There we go. All right, trying to push above 30 now. If we can get above 30, that's when I'm interested. I'm watching this off the 15 second. So I'm looking at my I can put it up on YouTube as well, but I'm looking at my Top Step screen. I'm not really watching YouTube right now. All right, so I'll show you guys over here on YouTube what I'm watching. These purple lines right here, that's the high, right? And then this is the low right here of this current box right here. So we can get above and close above this high. What I'm looking for price to do is come back into this low, right? Just like that, right? And then I'll look to trade between 15 and 504. But I need to see this close above this high first. If I don't see that closure, we're just going to continue to come down. And if that continues to happen, I'm going to continue to wait. Because the sweep looked good, but we got to hold it. We got to hold something. Something of value has to be held, or I'm just going to stay out of the market. Guys, again, another false sweep of the high right there. It just keeps faking people out, making them think that we're about to go bullish. And then next thing you know, you're in drawdown. Like, what the fuck just happened? Yeah, the market happened.
Yeah, I think we're gonna tap that liquidity down there at 15 or 500. I mean
500, yeah.
Let's see.
Maybe we get 45 on the dot, so I can go bragging on Twitter again. I'm gonna pay attention. I got a line on TraderVate. On Top Step X at 485 too, because if we do sweep this liquidity at 500, then that'll put this target right here in play, right? If we sweep that liquidity, because I'm looking for longs at this point. I'm not going to chase the shorts to the downside. I think the market's ready to put in a reversal. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm taking the proper entry. Right now, we just broke a low, right? We just traded below a low, right? This aggressive low break right here, right? So what do we expect price to do? We expect price to consolidate here at these lows, and that's exactly what it's doing right now. We're consolidating. We're trying to build value to potentially go back up, right? So you'll see price trade in this range just like this, and then at some point it may sweep this range for everybody that got a beautiful entry, right? It'll sweep this range, come back and sweep the high, and then come back and put in the shoulder, right? There's a sweep, yep. And then we go just like that. We do something like that. That's what I'm looking to happen, and then that's what I'll look to trade. Until I see something like that, I'm not going to trade it. But here we come down to 485.50. Yeah, it came through it, but again, we want to see what the reaction is going to be. Here's 485 tap right here. Let's see what the market does at 485.50. Looks like we're coming right back through it, but let's see if we recover right on time, which would be nice.
Yeah, buyers just ain't buying.
All right, right at that level, right at 48,550, we're getting a reaction. So there's definitely buyers here. Let's see if we can get aggressive buyers to step into the market, though. That's what we want. We're filling limit order liquidity, and we're getting a response. Stop law hit on longs, all good, brother. Yeah, we're watching 485 AC. We literally just walking through what could potentially happen, right? But this is what we want to see. We want to see some type of recovery, right, from the bulls, right? Basically, this is what we're looking at right now, right? So if the bulls can take over here, this will be a good area for them to take over. But I'm not going to continue. I'm not going to chase the shorts all the way down. Do I think we continue to sell? It's possible. Do I think that we pump at some point? Yeah. But I'm not going to short the market this low. I'm just not going to do it. I think I'm asking for trouble if I short the market this low. Still no aggressive buyers coming into the market. More aggressive selling. The VIX is continuing to push. The low that we have to stay above if you're going to try to, be a bull is now we want to stay above this 482 level. But again, I want to see some buyers step into the market here and take out some type of structure. But you can see right at 485.50, we're getting a reaction out of the market. It's not enough for me to trade it, but it lets me know that those levels are somewhat of importance to the market. If those levels were unimportant, the market wouldn't stop there. It just would. Right? The market would just come straight down like it did right here. But this level is clearly important to the market, and that's why we marked it on our charts, right? And now we've switched the range. All right, cool. That's what we want to see. Let's see if we can get out of this range and potentially push above 512. Now I want to see price trade above 512 or 514, right? On the 15 second. Get above this level at 514, 515, and then come back down and pick me up, right? So now my area of interest just shifted, right? For longs down here, right? So now I just changed my box up because again, what did price just do? Price just broke a major low. So what do we expect price to do? We expect price to do the exact same thing. Consolidate, right? Potentially consolidate, hold the low, right? And potentially sweep the high, then come back up and tap us in with an inverse head and shoulders. That's all I'm waiting on. If I get something like that, I'll trade it. If not, I'm just gonna chill.
Yeah, I want price to get all the way back up to 30. For me,
and that's a really good target too. That previous high, the high.
Yeah,
that makes sense.
Yeah.
All right, now we got the aggressive buyers coming into the market. Oh, 485.50. Let's go. Hey, did we not call that shit from this morning, bro? Let's fucking go, bro. Did we call that from the bottom to the top, baby? Let's go. 485 for the win. Let's go. Discord family eating. Discord family fed. Let's get it. That's what I live for, baby. Let's get it. Hey, I'm about ready to call it too, bro. I'm up 800. I don't need to touch none of this. I don't need to touch. I'm here for y'all, bro. I'm not even here for me right now. So if we react bullish off the bullish higher time frame footprint, then this would be a beautiful low of day. Great stream, guys. Hey, thanks, AC Trades. Yeah, we had the low. If this is the low of day, y'all better. Hey, I'm about to drop some shorts. That's all I can tell you right now. 460 area. Yeah. Hey, I'll flood Twitter. If this is the low of day, y'all might as well just turn off your Twitter feed for me. I'm sick of this dude. I'm tired of him. You're gonna have to mute me today. If this is low of day, I'm gonna be like, yo, I'm not gonna say we called it, but we freaking nailed it. Oh boy, good job, guys. Good job on the loan. I'm still looking for a little bit more confirmation for myself. This looks really good. I understand the early entry down here. I get it 100%. I'm just trying to, because of the aggressive selling, I expect price to definitely push much higher to go for a nice pullback. Therefore, I'm just going to wait for one more push down and then I'll look to trade it. Yeah, it's beautiful. This is potentially a nice potential. Has potential. Yep. Well, and you're trading the you're trading counter trend, so it's like it's almost better to just take the little scalp. And 30 points is not really a little scalp. That's kind of a big deal.
It's kind of a big deal.
Kind of a big deal. Yeah. I was like, say you put on nice size. 30 points is kind of a big deal. Like, I mean, in the forex world, they'd be like, dude, how are you getting 120 ticks? Like, bro, it's 30 points. Relax. I like that level too, Justin. It looks like the center of this area is 510.
Yeah, I gotta see this thing come all the way back up there for me to wanna.
Hey, I'm with you, bro. I'm super patient right now. Like I'm completely content with calling price right now and just waiting till I get exactly what I want to see. 1050 macros, 460 area. Okay. Yeah, the next if we break 485, I got us coming down. If we break 485.50, right? If we do break this area, I think the market's had enough selling. Like this is crazy. Like, all right, enough. You're down 200 points. Like, stop. But if we do break 485.50, 412 is in order, right? And after 412 is 362. So far, all of the targets have slowed price down, giving people an opportunity to scalp for 30 points or so, right? So I hope you guys are enjoying the stream. Again, we don't share our entries. We just share our ideas. You'll never see me share my screen and show you my entries. I'll take pictures if I take an entry and I'll post it on my Twitter page. Don't get it twisted. But we're here to educate and we're here to share our journey, right? And that's it. You know, if that's something you're interested in, definitely hit the like and subscribe button, babe. Can you walk me through why did you take the loan? Just want to see what you see? I didn't take a loan.
I think he might have been talking to Ivan.
Oh, he might have been talking about Ivan. Okay. Oh, okay.
Ivan took that long. Well, we're just kind of consolidating up here. Haven't really broken the high just yet.
Well, we broke the high on the 15 seconds. So consolidation is in order here. But I think in order for me to be officially bullish on the reversal, we need to break your high. Send recovery signals. New low. Let's go. Let's get it. Wait and chill. Yeah, I'm just talking about price right now. I'm not even tripping at all. Whatever the market wants to do up here can do. Discord family, y'all better not get his money back today. Get your bread, get the F out. You know what I mean? Like, you want to be green for real, not green for an hour. Feel me? Yeah, don't fight this market, bro. Yeah, y'all done y'all job already. You can feed your family with whatever you made today. You know what I'm saying? You can't feed it right now if you're only in combine or whatever, but you know what you build good habits. You feel me? So more selling coming in than buying down here. So look out for a nice push from 508. As long as we stay above 504, I think the market's good for a push. Or 496. 497. As long as we stay above 497, I think we're good for a push. But for me, this is just consolidation. I would much rather not touch this just yet. There they go. Ooh. Who's mad that they let their trade go at the bottom down there?
Yeah, Valdez said he's staying in.
Oh, yeah, he said he's staying in. That's right. Let's get it, Valdez. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, Valdez said, I'm not getting out of this one.
I know that's right. He did my breakfast. I'm not giving you nothing. Let's go. Just remember, we're looking for back to the upside. Nah, I think we're gonna come up. I think we're gonna come up much further than 32. I think we're gonna go. I think we're gonna go all the way back up to 570. Yeah, I think we're gonna go back up to 570. Yeah, I think we come back up to 570, and but yeah, 560 through roughly about what is it, 602. That's about a 40-point range, but it's 15-minute wick resistance, and on the 5 minutes, it's a beautiful 5-minute supply zone, which is basically where we took the original trade from this morning. There's an imbalance right there. Like there's a lot of stuff right there we could trade in. But I would definitely not hold for that. Me personally, I'd be looking to get out, like you said, 532, 548 area. Because this now we're at the top of this range right now on the 1 minute. 532 is the top of this range. I want to see us trade above this range. That's what I want. Yep, I want to see us trade above 532 and then come back and retest 507. That's what I want. Yeah, like, but again, it's the same thing. Like for me, we ate so good before 5:30. I'm full. Like you know what I'm saying? Like I was up like. Yeah, I was in. And we ate in it. Yeah, we ate like Tokyo session, bro. Trust me, I'm not tripping at all, bro. I was in Rambo mode. I was like, "Oh, market's open, bet." I got yelled at by. I didn't get yelled at, but she caught me. She caught me in here trading. Mm-hmm. All right, we're rejecting 532. That's not a good sign. I want to see us close above there for me to remain a little bit bullish here. This is always the sucky part because I never know if I want to take this retest right here or do I want to wait till price breaks above. And I think that's what I'm going to be trying to work on. If this was the actual trend, which is down, I'd be taking this already. I would have been in when you guys got in. But when I'm counter trend trading, I need to see more. That was a clean entry though, because that double bottom down there on the book map, that jump was clean. It was beautiful. I was like, I hope they're hearing me right now because I'm calling this month perfectly. Oh, did you get back in? Oh, you just talking about that? Gotcha. Track.
We got 9 seconds left in this candle. We still failed to close above that 30. Well, I mean, we closed above it once, but.
Let me see. How far are we from the
Far.
Oh yeah, we real far from that.
Yeah, we're like 300 points away. No, not 300 points, but yeah, we're far away from VWAP. We're very far away.
Crazy. Another good level that I would mark. Well, a lot of times we'll consolidate down here so VWAP can catch up because the market's not designed to dump that fast, right? So in order for VWAP to catch up, we'll just consolidate down here for a while, build value, stop out a bunch of retail, and then we'll go up once VWAP catches up and the EMAs catch up. Because remember, it's an average, right? So the longer time goes, the more the average is perfect, so to speak. So they may be allowing VWAP to kind of catch up, or the algorithm may be allowing VWAP to catch up.
We're pretty far outside that lower band too, so it makes sense to pop back up into that lower band at the very least.
He said a reverse. Yeah, inverse head and shoulders on the 2 minute. Let me see. Yo, bro. Please don't. Yeah, that 1030 candle be serious. Serious, bro. I see it every time, bro. Crazy. Every time. Bro. Every time they call that junk. And again, these are little nuggets that I take away that I add to my repertoire later where I'm like, okay, we've been selling off all day. Yep. We had that, and we had our level right at that exact same time. We tapped our level right at 10:30, and then game time. Pew! and a lot of people don't even trade until about 10:30. Nope. Heck no. If you telling me 10:30, I need to pay attention to the charts, and every day at 10:30, something happened on the charts, guess what? 10:30, I'm gonna be sitting here like, all right, time to eat. Yeah. I told you what we potentially going to. 570 to roughly about 601.
Oh my God.
Good.
I just looked at ES and
5 more minutes, folks. Oh, 1050. You didn't miss nothing. You collected 30.
ES has a level 4981. It's got 741 orders sitting right there. Jesus.
The upside or the downside?
They're buy orders.
Okay.
That's nuts.
We'll mark this whole area right here. I like this entire area. Come to mother loving buyers. I knew y'all was in the building. Let's see where Vix is at. I bet you we hit supply. Yep, perfectly. Look at this. Look at this sauce. Come on. Come on. Come on. Vix. Perfectly in supply. Look at that. I even said it. I said once Vix gets into supply, we'll reverse. 10:30 hit, supply hit, and all systems go. Let's go.
All systems go.
Let's go. Yeah, turn on the algorithm. Let it burn, baby. 1050, we looking to get back short, right? Yvonne, 1050. We got about 2 more minutes, guys. Almost time for this liquidity sweep. Nah, F that. We ain't continuing down. We're coming back down. F that. Hey, I'm looking for shorts up here. Y'all can do whatever y'all want to. I'm looking for shorts. All the way up until I'm looking for shorts all the way up until freaking 600. If we come all the way back up to 645, the market's reversed. It hasn't retraced. But yeah, this is my first area that I'm looking for these shorts. Let's see what the 15-minute chart looks like. Is this it's 2 candles? Oh yeah, this looks beautiful.
Step over here.
That's what I did this morning. I did the same thing this morning. I was like, you know what? I'm feeling real froggish this morning. Yep. Yeah, because I took one and then it pulled back after I got out of the other one. So then I went short on the other one and then shorted the other one at the same time. I was like, yep, thank you. See if we put this lower high in right here. Came right back up. Nope. Yee.
Yeah, we're still pushing. They always move those orders.
I know. I know. I know. Trust me, I know. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's see if these bulls want to actually show up here. Yeah, they still in the building. It looked good for a hot second. Then they was like, "Nah, we was just kidding. We was just kidding. We was just kidding." I don't blame you. These buyers is in here, bro. They in here. Yeah, I told you I'm still short bias all the way up to 600. They coming though. Woo. They buying all of it back up. Give me all of that. Sales.
Yeah,
sales.
they definitely are. That's for sure. Oh, that's interesting.
What's that?
The market really swept right there. And that was right at the 50% too.
Yep. Just waiting to see a break of structure and a retest here. We're almost there. Lack of buying is lack of buying up at a lack of buying up at 65 up here. Yep. Let's go. Still waiting to see. Want to see what we do back up at 65. If we fail here, I'll be looking to short this. I don't think so. I think they got bulls right where they. I think they got bulls right where they want them. That's what I think. Mm-hmm. Come on, break below 49, and then I'll be interested. I'm short 56 on that retest.
Yeah, it looks like we may be coming down here.
My target is not to get stopped out for break even, mother. Bro, do you not see how strong these buyers are down here? Like, I already know what this is. I know what this movie looks like. I trade for capital, bro. Like, that's it. I protect capital because I know I'm in the middle of trying to reverse this trend, and I know I'm trying to get the top. So we could be looking to sweep again. So I didn't want to give back any capital. What for? If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. We couldn't break 49, which was my make or break it. As soon as I saw us struggling at 49, I went to break even. Yeah. So if we can stay below 50, 61, I think we're fine. But yeah. That's why I wanted out of there right quick. Out of here. I already know how this goes. Seen this movie too many times.
These buyers are just relentless.
Mm-hmm. I like it better in the 60s. If they're going to continue to push and not put in a low, then hey, let it go. If it's meant to be, it'll come back. There we go. Another little lack of buying, but every time it looks like a lack of buying, buyers just continue to push. I like this area here.
Yeah, sellers are definitely fighting up here, but so are buyers.
I like that.
Here comes some more selling. But it just keeps getting ate right back up.
I just want to see us break 60 and then come back and retest it. And I'll take it long. I mean, take it short. But every time we try to break something, buyers just recover. That's why I cut that trade super early, because I already knew where I was in price. All right, we're tapping that 50% right here at 7-0. Still looking to reverse this market, and as long as we stay beneath 600, but I'm not going to force a reversal. Like, I can't move the market, right? So we're setting a new high here on the 15-second. But again, every time sellers step into the market right now, buyers are just gobbling them up. A lot of selling took place at 71. Bro, I have no idea.
Never.
All I know is the buyers are engulfing all selling right now. All selling. And I'm not going to chase this thing all the way up. I'm like, nope. 75. Look at that jump. That was a 5-point jump. Gee. This thing is coming. What is the stocks doing? Like, what is happening in the market right now? All right, we're almost to the center of that box. Everything is getting a recovery right now. Amazon, Alphabet, Nvidia, Meta, Microsoft, they're all bouncing right now, but I'm still going to stick to my bias up here until we get above 600, 602. If we recover this entire move, then the market's just going to go short squeeze mode at that point. All right, there go the sellers. They're coming in now. The entry's fine. It's just you want to see that. Yeah. I just want to see that. I want to see that aggressive selling come in, and I just haven't seen it yet. Take out some structure. Like now it's 69, right? If we can break below 69, I'm interested. I'm sorry, not 69. Break below what is this? Yeah, we're just
Jesus.
If we can break below 65, I'm interested, but we just can't. There's no. All buyers are getting engulfed right now. Like, I mean, all sellers are being engulfed right now by buying. Jeez, this is a short squeeze. If they don't stop them below 600, this thing's gonna short squeeze. A lot of selling coming in right here. Also being absorbed. Look at all of these sellers getting absorbed down here.
Oh my God.
Justin said, oh my
Jesus.
Yo.
Oh my God.
Yo, the buyers are like mic drop bitches.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, but we broke that area and we never came back down to retest the low. We just kept going.
Bro, look at this thing go. Oh my God. Yo, what the yo, this market is crazy. I ain't never sleeping on the Bulls. I made it very clear that this market is still very much bullish. So, but damn, they eating through. Look at this. They are cooking this supply zone. Like 636 is the next level. That's the 4 hour. Oh yeah, it's probably the same people. Ain't no doubt. Too easy. God bless. Free playlist. Too many stop losses. Not even funny, bro. Too many stop losses.
Jesus.
They cooking stop losses right now, bro. They are cooking sell side liquidity right now. Everybody got to be thrown off. They like, bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, this is nuts.
I need to see us break structures. 87. Massive, bro. Massive. I mean, look at this rally. Bro, this is a freaking 100-point rally. Back to the upside. 100-point rally back to the upside, bro. It is about to go again. They not done. They just broke 87 and came right back up. Holy crap. Gee. That was impressive. Bro, yeah, I'm about ready not to put no more risk on the table. That just threw me off. Like, what? I mean, I knew that they could come back up to 70 and potentially 600. But if they break above 600, man, come on. No way, we. Oh, the shorts is gonna. I still have access on today. On today, I think the shorts is the move. Well, I ain't gonna say they the move because I mean, obviously the longs just printed like hella bridge now. So 715. No, I'm looking to potentially short right here. I just want to see us break some structure. Just break below here and then retest. Oh. Hang on a second. All right, here we go. We're getting a break here at 87. Let's see if we can't retest 87 and close beneath something on 15. This is nuts.
This is nuts.
Yeah, impressive is an understatement. I'm very impressed. Like, there was nothing going on today. It was like, hey, y'all want to send the market? Yeah, man. Why not, Johnny? Why not, Johnny? All right, we're getting this retest right here.
Random Tuesday.
Bro, market be on some other shit, bro. Other shit. The market is definitely on some other shit today. Nope. Nope. Every time I'm looking to potentially short on a retest, every single time the market just be like, zoop, shut up. Okay. All right, fine. Okay. Nope. Nope. Every single time, bro. Shorts getting wrecked up here. Guaranteed. All right, this one I like. This one I like. This one I like. This is it. I like this one. Right, I'm short here. I'm gonna try short right here. That's okay. I like 88. I'm short 88, guys.
Man, what a rally!
This is impressive. I'm sure 88. My first target is 540, then 485, and then the very low. This Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, stops the break even to protect myself. Come on, don't do it. Don't do it. There's no need to come back up here. Don't come back up here. Don't come back up here. Yeah, I'm at break even. I've been at break even. But I'm looking for a bigger move here. I think we can push back down the same way we came back up. Every time I see it, bro. Nah, I was just waiting on the lower high to be printed. And once I got the lower high print, I took it. No questions asked. All right, locking in $100 right there. 125 to add to the total to the day. I'm cool with giving back the rest if I can catch a larger move. I think the market's going to come down pretty aggressively here. Just to push down. A lot of aggressive selling. All of that buying that just came in, I'm looking at that as like liquidity for the downside. That's basically how I'm reading it. All right, we can just get a bunch of sellers, a bunch of buyers. All those buyers to just start capitulating down. It'd be really nice. But again, we're protecting ourselves. We're locking in some profit. But again, we're trying to catch the bigger move on this particular trade. Market has potential to come back up at every step, which I understand, but chill. All right, we're gonna lock in. We're gonna lock in about 200. All right, now we're locking in about 205 on the trade. Can't lose on the trade in case the market wants to rip back up here, which it has definitely every right to do so. Stop us out at 78 or keep going down. All right, brother. We've locked in our 10 already on the trade. Everything else is just extra. All right, brother. Take it easy, brother. Thank you so much. All right, we just need to get below 64, and I think we'll come on down. But we're protected by the previous low right there. If they want to run my stop, I'm fine with that. I'll take 200 and bounce. That's what we want to see. We want to continue to see those bears engulf those bulls right there. Again, we're short 88. Stop is at 78 right now. Looking to secure 68 if we can break through 64. All right, trying to get that break beneath 64 right now. There we go. There's a nice push below 64. We'll secure 68 if we come down and close beneath 64 in the 1 minute. We just want to see a nice closure. We got 12 seconds left on this candle. Selling is coming in pretty good on the book. No reason that the price should be coming all the way back up to our stop now. Just need to get that closure beneath 64. What the? Yo, the candle. Yo, what is going on Top Step X, bro?
What happened?
Happened was super weird. It hyped up. All right, I'm locking in 300 right now. I don't like how we're struggling here. I'm gonna lock in 73. Yeah, I'm locking in 73.25. Yeah, all right, I'm stopped out right there. I didn't like what I was seeing down there at those lows. I'll take the 300 and walk away. I'm done trading on the day, guys. I don't need any more. I'm good.
Hey,
Killed
it's
it.
11:11. Make a wish.
Make a wish, baby.
Make a wish.
Is that a revert? Okay, 5 more minutes. Dang, we missed all these comments. Like long from the imbalance that put new high in. Very good, very good. Too easy. God bless the free playlist. Yep. Yeeted too many stop losses. Yep. All the 1 hour highs not protected. We going back to the all time highs. No, that's not happening. Killed it today. Let's go. Yep. We on a roll. We on a roll. We on a roll. Today was a great day for me too. Let's get it. 3 max. Yep. Nice trades. Hey, good job. Good job, guys. I think we could lower, but I wasn't willing to give back any profit. I'm up about 1,100 in this account, so there was no need to give back any profit. I don't need to do anything else. I'm pretty much done trading. There's nothing for me to do. I might F around and do some other stuff later, but market has been K-slayed. The Discord is fed. Everybody's eating good. You know what I mean? So super bro. What's going on, Mohan? Are you new here? I don't think I've ever seen your name, Mohan. Thanks, brother. Yeah, we took the trade here at 88. We got in at 88, right up at this retest. I'll show you guys on the 15-second what I was watching. I apologize, I wasn't sharing my 15-second screen, but right here, if you heard me calling out the areas, I started looking for shorts at 64. We couldn't break below 64, so I said, okay, I'm looking for us to break 60 or 70. We couldn't break below 70, so I said, okay, now I'm looking for us to break below 78. We couldn't do that. So I said, all right, one more time. Let's see if we can break below 88. Finally, we got the closure below 88, and this time when we came back up, we changed order flow right here. I'll show it to you guys. For those of you guys that pay attention to Dave Teaches FX, if you don't, you probably should, but at least give it a look. Here was the change in order flow for me, right? We broke below this low, right? We came back up and retested this high and we failed, right? Therefore, I viewed this as a change in order flow, and I got short right beneath this order flow at 88, and I put my stop above 94. So the risk was 6 points. The target is always 10 points first, right? No matter what, I take my 10 points, right? Once we got below the 10 points, I put my stop at 10 points, and then I started securing profit because we were just really choppy down here, right? I understood that the consolidation was going to happen, and one thing that I'll take away from this is maybe identifying the consolidation and putting my stop at the swing high that caused the consolidation, right? So what I mean by that is this is the swing high right here that caused the consolidation. And at this time, I'm still up 10 points at 78, right? And I was trying to hold for the bigger move. So instead of watching my P&L, I should say, okay, this is the low, this is the high. I'm gonna put my stop right here. And if we close below here, then I can move my stop down further to secure more points. Am I upset about what I secured? Absolutely not. 10 or 20 points can feed your family for a lifetime, right? However, I do like to trade from higher time frame areas, and I know that those higher time frame areas can present much larger targets, right? So my goal is to, in the future, play bigger size, right? And then take off the 10 points right away, go to break even with the rest of my size, and then slowly take off trades as we start to hit targets that I feel like are in play. So I am liking I'm liking what I'm seeing out of the buyers down here, which doesn't give me warm and fuzzies if I was still in the short. So maybe it was a good time to sell or buy back. So because all we did right now, if you really think about this, right, from a bigger chessboard standpoint, all we're doing is retesting this low, right? So buyers are still very much, yeah, I would too. Buyers are still very much in control of this move because this low down here, right, brought us a new high, right? This was a high break here. We had another high break here, right? And then a potential high break here. So this low is very much validated by all of the new highs that it brought us. However, this high right here is in control of this low, right? And this is what we call in the Discord, shout out to Dave Teaches FX, because this is his theology that I learned from him, but it's my representation of it, right? My representation is a chessboard, right? And I will always give props what props are due, right? I wouldn't know. I wouldn't think about the market the way I think about the market today without Dave. Period. Point blank. And he gets that praise. However, the thought process that I put behind it, the theology that I come up with, and the analogy that I come up with is all me, right? So this is what I call the chessboard, right? I'm not going to break it all down because the Discord will kill me, but just know that when I look at the market, I look at it in squares, right? And once I can identify what's happening inside of my square, right, I identify certain things that start to tell me a story. So if you guys are interested in learning that information, like I said, the Discord is $15 per week to start, just to give us a shot. $40 a month if you want to stick around, right? Or you can continue to pay the $15 a week, which I think is great. Or you can continue to watch us for free on YouTube. But come 2025, we're leaving. We're out of here. So I was up to 2,100 and gave back 800. Being greedy might call it a day. Walk away. Walk away. 100%. Walk away.
It's so fast. Just walk away. Walk away.
That's $1,300 that you just secured. But if you continue to trade, you didn't secure shit, right? And when I say continue to trade, if you continue to lose, you won't secure anything. And then you'll find yourself at a loss, and then you'll be chasing those gains for the rest of the day. Walk away. Trust me when I tell you, walk away. Don't even look at me. Don't even watch me, right? Like, walk away. Here's another retest of 80. Again, putting in a potential lower high right here where I would be looking to potentially short it. When I say I would be looking to, I'm not trading right now. So this is the top of the range that we just created, right? We just looked at 57 through about 80. The top of that range was tapped, and the result was sellers are stepping back in, but buyers are supporting underneath. So just know that. What time do you got? 10 o'clock? You getting anything over there, Jay?
No, I'm just chilling. I took like a quick scalp short on ES just because it wasn't gone just yet. But other than that, not much.
All right, here's that break. Oh my God, this thing is so predictable right now. I'm seeing this market so freaking clear right now. It's ridiculous. It's all good, bro. It's all good. Like, you ain't see what you like, you didn't get what you wanted, and shit, ain't nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Just make sure you're not hesitating, bro. Like, I think there were some pretty good setups on the day. Make sure you're not hesitating too much, you know?
Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm chilling. I am chilling. Although I want to see, well, no. It'd be right. Okay. It would. Oh, no. No, that was it.
All right. I'm going to go grab me something to eat real quick. I'll be right back.
Look and see if this thing comes back up one last time. Made that equal low right there. Actually, this should be the short. See if we get the breakdown. Oh wait, every time I move away from this, does it delete everything that I was? I don't know. What happened to my time in sales? All right, well, that's nice. Apparently my time in sales went away. That's beautiful. Yeah, we're still holding this low. Yeah, we're still holding the low. We'll probably go back up and retest that high one more time. And this nice little range. 10. Let me check, see what y'all talking about. Yeah, see if we come down. Let's see. Oh yeah, you got that same. He has got that same area I got marked. Just waiting to see if NQ drops from here. Or if we rally. A lot of selling going on, but we're not dropping any lower. That was a big selling. That's a big print. A lot of selling going on down here at these lows. But if sellers can't pop this, then they're in trouble. There it goes. And it's got to hold this break below. Nope. See if we can't hold this break below. Come on down. These buyers do not want to give it up. Ooh. It is a battle, but the market is putting another lower low up here. See if we put in see if we continue on this selling. I took a quick short on ES, but I mean, I basically got stopped out for break even. Yeah, it was just because it was moving a little bit slower than NQ, and NQ had already made the break. But hindsight being 2020, it moved the same amount. Like as far as like where price actually went to, it got to the same place, so didn't really change anything. And now we're just struggling to get down lower. Yeah, it's moving super slow. But NQ is also finding this level very, very difficult to break right now. It's looking like it wants to come right back up. We might have actually just put another inverse head and shoulders right there on the smaller time frame. Yeah, we're just finding it. We're just having a really hard time breaking down. Let's see. Oh yeah, we just tapped in that 50% right there. Oops, nope. Yeah, we just took that liquidity and ran. Sheesh. Oh my God, what a rejection right there at that high. Jesus Christ. The Bulls just do not care. Oh my God. Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of orders, a lot of selling going on down here again, but it just gets ate up every single time. Yeah, we're coming down. But we gotta break that previous low. We're basically just consolidating. I guess I'll show. Yeah, it's been pretty volatile today. We're just in between two zones right now. But our strong zone's down here at like 515, 514. This is the area that buyers have to hold if we break this. We just continue to bounce. These buyers. Yeah, we're just in a range. It's hard to commit either way. Yeah, we get up to these highs and we find sellers. We get down to the lows, we find buyers. I mean, overall we're bearish, but this uptrend has been pretty bullish. So we're just in between. And here comes more buying. Yeah, we're just range bound. Probably gonna push up though. We'll see. Because we're in an overall demand zone. And we broke through so much supply. We'll see though. See which way we break out of this range.
I'm back.
Yeah, we're in a 4-hour demand, but this is honestly what we got. One. This is really the second pullback that we're getting. This is a really deep pullback. We'll see. Maybe this could be the pullback in the higher time frame though. To go lower. I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, we're in a pretty tight range right now. I'm not a fan of the range. I think we still come down. I think the market's just consolidating distribution to go lower.
Could be. Yeah, it's hard to tell what price wants to do right here. Yeah.
I just know if whichever way we break, I'll look to play the retest of this area. The only thing that sucked about today is that there hasn't been nice, pretty retests. It's just get in and we go, right? Like we build value and then we just go, right? There hasn't been a lot of retests, so you got to kind of be quick on the draw a little bit today, or just get in as early as possible and just kind of hope for the best. Today's been pretty tricky.
Yeah, let's see if this low ends up breaking. Because every time we come down here, the selling is just not enough.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here comes some aggressive selling. Here it comes. There, and now it's gone. Now it just has to hold. I just don't want to see this come back like it did this time. It's got to hold this. 5 seconds. There we go. Yeah, I took it. I got in at 6.5 though. I didn't get in at the top. We were playing around. As soon as I saw the aggressive selling print start to come in, but I'm up. I'm up about 200, but we got VWAP coming in. I think this thing could potentially flush down. This is the first area where we could get a bounce. This is that low. Go ahead and see. All right. Consolidating a little bit. Go ahead and secure my 10 points right there. I think we could come back up. But if we can just flush right through all this, it's going to be deadly. All right. Nice little flush there. Just got to hold this. Hold and break below this. Now we came right back up. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Dang.
Oh my God.
Right back up. Shut up.
Yeah.
They
smacked them down. Oh my God. There was a 160 lot order right there in that sell. We got to break below that low though.
43 lots on that. That was nuts. Jeez.
Yeah, we gotta. Okay, there's that low break. Let me go ahead and secure some more profit here. Securing about $200 right now. We're still coming down. We haven't really had a pullback, but this thing is flushing. Oh my God.
Let's go.
Hobbs is quiet. I know he got in.
I
don't know where he got in, but I know he got in. He being too quiet. Yeah, I'm trailing. I know Hobbs got in. I don't know where he got in. I think he got in after that little
No, I got in right before it. As soon as I hit the button, he dropped. I said, "Oh,
yeah." I knew he was too quiet for him not to have gotten in that trade. I was like, "Nah, Hobbs definitely got in somewhere."
I'm in like 2 minis over here. I was like, "All right, man, shoot, let's go." I take the 300. Thank you. Yeah, I took 2. I got in at 42. I'm out now. I'm out. I got in at 42, took 2, and made another 300 real quick. Thank you. Appreciate you, market. I literally just finished eating. I was like, "Oh, we're gonna break the low. Let's see you retest. Let me see that retest and failure." Oh, okay, thank you. If you look
I'm trailing this pretty tight now. I'm not giving it too much.
I think it continues to push down. I just don't trust. I don't trust these buyers, man. They can reverse this thing so fast.
Yeah, this is the area where I think they could come in. So I'm just trailing this a little bit tighter, just because this is the low. We got to break this low right here. If we break this low, I'll continue trailing it down. But I'm up about 3. Oh, okay. We're still coming down.
You about to kill count this, baby. Let's go.
Nah, just we gotta hold this low. We gotta hold this low.
Okay, my bad. I'm sorry.
We gotta hold this low right here. This low break gotta hold.
Just to be like, you effing up the trade. Don't talk to her nicely.
Yeah. This low break gotta hold. This might be coming right back up.
Well, you trailing,
all
man.
right.
That's all you got. That's
nah,
all you can do
I took it for 300. I took it for 300.
Oh, it's about to drop now. All right.
Yeah, it probably is about to drop.
Hey, what's good, Pippy? You know what I'm saying? We in here making a bank, Pippy. What's up, brother? You know what I'm saying? We just out here. We out here robbing the bank as much as possible. You know what I'm saying? Like money grabbing this bank all day. Nothing. No big deal. Man, bro, what? What? Justin. Yeah. What? Justin got in before me. Shit. So I took it twice.
Yeah.
So I got in at 88 originally, and then got out at 60 for 20 points. I think it was like what was it? We cut that one for 300. So we was out for like 15 points. And then Justin, I went and got something to eat, and Justin was watching this consolidation. He got short on the break of the consolidation at what was it?
I got
Justin got short at 65. Yeah, he got short 65 and then cut at the low. And then I got short at 42 on the pullback of that right before it actually flushed.
That's why
I took too many
low right there. This low coming right back up.
Like I think I'm a little over 1,500 on the day. You know, light work.
Yeah,
so how much are you up there, Pippy? Like 60 bands today? He said, "That's so cute. Y'all out here making $1,000. That's cute. That's real cute." So I'm up 35,000 a day. So there's that. It's all good, brother. Yeah, I say that. Mm-hmm. I was expecting it, but I was with you. I was expecting it, but I was like, I didn't expect this to happen in the London session because we took very. I think you got in a little bit after me, but we took very similar setups, right? So when I took the short, it was I took it in Tokyo and you took it in London. It was basically the same damn trade though, and I did the same thing you did. I took it with the Discord, and I was like, yo, I'm short here. You know what I'm saying? It dropped. I was like, man, I'm up 500. I'm out. I'm going to bed. Right? Like my wife right here, like looking at me, like, what are you doing? So I came back and this junk dropped like 30 more points. I said, in Tokyo? That's what we doing? And then it rallied, you know what I mean? Like another 50 in Tokyo, you know, going into London. So I was like, okay. So confused.
Ooh.
Yeah. yeah. That's when you post your check on Twitter. You like, yes, right, baby, I'm the boss. You look back and drop another 100 points. You like, let me just delete this post real quick. Let me just take this down. Yeah, man. It was but yeah, 10:30 what was it 10:30 time frame or whatever. I think everybody in the Discord, I called out we were talking about the lows at 485.50 all morning, right? Now I was like, look, first target we're gonna hit is 540.50. We tap 540.50, dance around, and then I said the next target is gonna be 485.50. I said if you get a sweep to 485.50, I would look to take it long there. I was already good. I was like, look, I already ate early. I'm good. Bro, I be damned. This thing came down. Where we tapped? We tapped 483.75. I be damned if this motherfucker didn't rally, what, 100 points from that level? Yeah, 114 points. You know I got to post that on my Twitter page because I was in the pre-market plan too. But yeah, it was fire. It was the levels were perfect. I think the price action today was surprisingly really good. You know what I mean? The bears are still struggling to bring price down, even though they're selling a lot, which tells me that this is just, it gives me the vibes that this is just overall on the bigger picture, just a small pullback before NVIDIA earnings. Because it feels like even on the bearish pushes down, other than the ones from higher time frame zones, when we get the bearish push downs now, they're still recovering and buying a lot in the middle of these bearish pushes, which tells me that they're still loading positions. The bearish positions aren't coming down smoothly. The bulls are still in the building. Like they still want to push this thing higher. I think this is just a load up for NVIDIA earnings, in my opinion. Yeah. So just calling price and doing what we do, baby. I'm ready to get up off of here though. What time is it? 10:41. Jay, you ready to go, or you sticking around?
Now I'm ready because I gotta clean and stuff before the wife gets home. I did get
better
long
be
though.
cleaning.
I did get long at 41 though, but I don't want to risk too much on this trade, so I'm gonna put my stops at break even.
We'll do.
We're kind of in that mode where this thing could rip, but it might not. So
yeah, I just think longs are the move, like, because they're just buying this thing up so aggressively, right? Like, I still think when I say are the move, I feel like if you're buying at a key level, you're gonna get your 10 or 15 points, just because we're in a downtrend. But every time we tap any consolidation, we're popping right back up. I probably secure this.
Yeah, I got something.
I probably cut this. Looking at the tape, I'm like, oh yeah, I take this off.
Yeah, we didn't push fast enough.
Yeah, but ladies and gentlemen, please don't be greedy on your accounts. Whether you're trading your live account or you're trading a prop firm, or be greedy. Like, do whatever you want. Be grown. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. All I'm gonna do is tell you be responsible and practice proper risk management, and you won't ever lose in these markets. Nothing that you weren't expecting to lose in the first place. That being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed the show. Please don't forget to tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live or put out a video. My name is T Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.